back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some slime. Okay, so what you need for this thingy is glue, lotion, borax, and Tide like anything. And yeah, and I have this glow-in-the-dark powder leftovers from Karina Garcia's slime kit. So subscribe and turn on my post notifications. And my brother Noah's looking at me, if you're wondering why I keep on looking there. If you're wondering why it's noisy right now, it's because my brother's just taking the chair. So this is also from JoJo Slime Kit. So first you're going to pour in some glue, if it comes out. Oh, and you need a mixing spoon, I forgot to say. Just pour it all in. I think that's enough. Noah, do you want to come say hi?
Yeah.
Look at the camera.
Hello, guys. Can I be a special guest today?
Okay, he can be a special guest, I guess. So now we're gonna add some glitter. No, can you stop doing the floss?
Okay. Can I stir this in?
No. You'll get to put the lotion in. Did I forget to say lotion? No. I think. Do 5 pumps of lotion, Noah. Oh, and the lotion that we're using is this lotion.
I don't know.
Noah doesn't know what that is, and me neither.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm stirring it.
Oh, I am. Noah has the drama. I forgot to move that over. Noah's just sitting over there, and when I need him, he'll come.
Ooh, that's a nice guy.
So it's looking like this so far. Noah, can you go get Tide from the laundry room, the little bucket?
Yep.
So my brother's just going to get Tide, and also get me water. And she's also going to get me water. And I'm just going to keep on mixing all the glitter. There's still some glitter everywhere. The Tide and water. So first I'm going to pour, no, I'm going to get that. And then I'm going to add some Tide. No, I'm not good at Tide.
Yeah, I'm no clue how to do that. You're right.
And then I'm just going to, okay, I need to move the
Ooh,
water.
that smell. It's so strong. There's nothing in
It
it.
just fell down. There's nothing in the glue, don't worry.
Don't worry, we can edit the video.
No,
We
don't
should
worry,
put
it's
some
close.
music there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should edit the video.
Yeah, we should edit the video.
And go
Dun, dun. Well, it's gonna say that. Don't worry, guys. Okay, so we're gonna mix. It's
Is this
going
going on YouTube?
Yeah.
What?
It's going on YouTube.
Nice.
So I'm just mixing. My
That
brother
does
didn't know
cry
I
on
was.
YouTube.
I'm gonna go get a special activator. I don't think this activator works. Oh, can you go get me the JoJo Slime Kit?
Yeah.
Because it's not getting thicker anymore. And add a little bit more Tide.
This person.
They like JoJo.
Yeah. I like Logan Paul. Logan Paul's the number 1 YouTuber on earth.
Here's a gold one that I made.
Wait, let me see it.
Oh. So I'm gonna use this activator from the JoJo Slime Kit.
We're
I'm just gonna do 3 drops of pink soda because we're using the glue.
yeah, it should be working.
Yeah, it is working. It's working. It's turning into slime.
And are we gonna make this glow in the dark sparkly?
Yeah, we're gonna put in some glow in the dark powder.
Can I put it in?
You'll put in the gel. We have water gel also that we're gonna put in. So my brother is gonna do that.
I'll go get it.
No, I have it. So the slime is almost done. Then I'm gonna start
see it.
eating with my hand.
Alright. It's working, alright?
I'm gonna start eating with my hand and it's all up the sides. It's very sticky. So I'm just gonna. But I can make slime. Once I'm gonna try this slime in 1 minute challenge. I don't know if I'm gonna fail or be a success, but
Do the back.
wait, actually. Okay, we're changing. Okay, and next I'm gonna do backwards slime after this.
But guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna be streaming on YouTube. I'm gonna play Fortnite or something like that.
But not now. And we're gonna tell his friends to sing because when his friends sing, it's so funny.
Yeah, my friend Dominic sings a lot.
Yeah, so it's very funny. I got a little pink spot because this wasn't cleaning very well yesterday. I keep on cracking this bowl more and more and more and more and more. It was already cracked. I just keep on cracking it. Okay, it's already slime. I'm gonna start eating with my
That's
hands.
right,
Noah, come
everybody.
back here.
This is Last
Noah, it's almost your
Making our
job.
way around the world. Searching out a
And
face to
then
face with you.
we're gonna take
one more
this
time.
out. Lost.
Looking for a heart to heart whenever you're ready.
Put that in the
We
sink.
want you to know
Not in the
if
garbage.
you ever should look
No,
in the
put it
mirror
with the
and
bowl.
wonder who it is that you are and wonder
Yeah,
what it
the
is
bowl
that
there,
you came for.
another bowl with
Well,
the dirty ice
I know the
cream.
answer. You're beautiful. You came from heaven. You came down to this place to fill out the dark corners with your everlasting light.
No, can you have more?
And that's why
This one.
I love you.
Stop.
We
Yeah,
love
he is
you.
for it.
I'm not a slime girl.
I love you. We love you.
No, can you go get me the model magic bag?
I love you.
So this is also gonna be
We
butter.
love you. Come on, shout.
No, not that. That's true.
Hey, shout.
Hey,
Come
brother,
on,
just-
shout. Hey, shout.
He's looking at the Barbie bin before.
Shout. Shout.
So we already made it. We got it from Target. Got this from Target. It's snowing like crazy.
When I had a hockey tournament in Pittsburgh, we got it there.
We like him. Well, I wish I was in California right now.
I love you. We love you.
Yeah. We just went to California sailing.
I love
trip,
you.
so that was a good one.
I had a giant sandwich.
We
It
love
was so
you.
big. I had one with tomato sauce.
That was delicious, though. It was big, but
Wait, let's try to do that.
the cheese steak.
Guys, this is pretty sticky. No one needs to add one more sauce.
Put it in the bowl.
Okay, good job. This isn't liquid borax, which is good. I don't think we need to add any more. It's actually a
Did
very
you
good.
have Mama Magic?
I'm gonna add this at the end. I'm gonna put the water gel in.
Okay, let's put
And put a water gel makes your slime sort of icky, sticky. Get it? Yeah, no, just get to that. Get it? Okay, so this is a pretty long video just to make the slime perfect.
Alright, yeah. That's good enough. We needed it. Good enough.
Okay, this is good enough. I'm gonna put it on the table now. No, can you get it? No, can you get
2 hours later.
2 hours later. Okay, I was just telling my brother something. I was listening. So this is actually very
See the poking hole.
good slime. I'm gonna use everything so you guys can see how good this got. It's actually been 2 hours, to be honest.
No, it hasn't. Take it. Help me, it's attacking.
My brother thought that was slime. This innocent slime was attacking him. And it's not sticky. This is too small to make the poo. Maybe if we added shaving cream, we would be able to make the poo. No shaving cream because it makes me sneeze.
Yeah, now put it in some water.
I'm gonna put in some water magic.
No, that's the one here. Can I put it in?
No. I'm only putting a little by a little because I don't know if it's gonna work for me today. Now it's gonna take a while to get this, so
2 hours later.
no. And maybe 1 minute. My brother just like saying that because he sees almost his Logan Paul's vlogs.
I started Jake Paul's vlogs when I said Jake Paul, another little gangster.
Well, JoJo always posts it. I wish I met JoJo.
I don't like JoJo.
Well, you like that she likes Logan Paul.
Yes, I do.
And you like her slimes.
Her songs are okay.
No, they're actually very good. I made him one of JoJo's slimes, and they were so good.
Yeah, it had bows in it.
Well, he added the bows.
Yeah.
I was like,
I
you
like
just make-
crunchy
You
things.
just make jiggly slime, and he was like, no. And then he was like, and then when I was at dance, he added the bows in.
Like what?
I was like, what happened?
Like I made mess.
We're almost done.
Our dad wants us to end the video.
Yeah.
We haven't finished.
No, we're not
yet.
done. We're not done. We're not done.
We have to put in the water down, mister.
Yeah.
You're not a slime girl like me.
My dad's turning off the light so it may get a little darker.
Should I shut this one?
Here, we're almost done this video,
Oh,
sadly.
Oh, wrong one.
So we're almost done this video. So now we're gonna add the water gel. Noah, can you? No, I'm just gonna use the bowl.
Shut on. Wait, can I add the thing in? The water gel stuff?
I said that you can add it to the slime.
No, I want to add that stuff in, please. Please.
No, you're gonna add it to the slime.
Pour it all in.
I made a mistake.
What?
So that's. Can you pour this out, please?
Elad, pour it out.
I need to pour this in first. I forgot.
Okay.
I'm not done. I need the bowl again.
That's it.
Okay.
Say goodbye.
Bye. There's gonna be a to be continued later.
No, there isn't.
Yes, there is. Bye. Mwah. Can we edit the video?
Emily, why didn't you add it? What did you make a mistake?